A timeless gallery of Namibian history and art was exhibited permanently here at Etosha Safari Camp. This reflects a shared history that was fraught with challenges, but was also filled with phenomenal opportunities for Namibia. With material from the uprising at the old location prior to independence, this showcase of art tells the story of Namibia's journey to independence in 1990 and documents important highlights on our 30 years of freedom.
What I think of this exhibition is that it's the most objective and most illustrious exhibition that I've ever seen that captures the story of Namibia. A lot of potential, a lot of talents and a lot of successes were unleashed at independence, such as the silver medal by Franklin Fredericks only proves a point that Namibia owes it to itself and to the rest of the world to always succeed.
This is one of those great initiatives that put us a step ahead. This is basically the celebration of independence. But if you look at the pictures carefully, you see a spirit of joy, and there you see the Namibian soul. Every visitor that comes here will experience and will immediately know, what is this nation about?
My favorite part of the exhibition is the 30 Independence Born Free and also the one about the Untak. The history is just brilliant.
This exhibition, hosted by Gondwana Collection Namibia and Capricorn Group, initially set to be part of Namibia's 30th independence celebration.
In an effort to celebrate and commemorate 30 years of independence, we decided to partner with another strong Namibian brand, Gondwana. We will continue to build and strive for a Namibia where we can all be truly free. Free from poverty, from corruption and injustice. A prosperous and peaceful, stable Namibia.
Whenever you make your way to Etosha Safari Camp, make sure to check out this captivating exhibition, which will always be accompanied by the Etosha Safari Boys.
Child of Africa, let the wind of change blow across Namibia.